I once visited a friend's office in a Tier 2 city. Right outside, there was a small gym, and below it, a crowd I could not ignore. A tiny stall. People lined up like it was giving away something free. I walked closer expecting protein shakes or supplements. It was just a guy selling healthy chips. I asked him one question. How much do you make a month? He showed me the number. Over 1 lakh rupees. From a chip stall outside a gym. That single stall funded his iPhone Pro Maximum. No funding round. No office. No LinkedIn post about hustle culture. So I sat down and got him to break down the entire model. And today I am giving you for business ideas just like this one. Ideas quietly working in Tier 2 and Tier 3 India while most people are still chasing the same 5 overused startup ideas. For each one, you get the same 4 things. What the business actually is. How much you need to start. Where the money comes from. And what kind of profit is realistic. Idea 1. Beetroot chips. Healthy snacking is one of the fastest growing categories on Amazon and Flipkart right now. People are moving away from potato chips toward beetroot, pumpkin, and sweet potato versions because they are lower in calories and higher in nutrients. Beetroot itself is cheap and available all year, so sourcing is never the problem. The process is simple. Slice it thin, dehydrate or shallow fry it in minimal oil. Pack it airtight. Starting cost sits around 15 to 20,000 rupees, covering a slicer, a dehydrator, and packaging. Buy your beetroot directly from the local mandi. List on Amazon, Flipkart, and Instagram. Send free samples to health-focused pages and communities. Each packet costs around 25 to 35 rupees to make. It sells for 150 to 200. Move just 300 packets a month, and you are clearing 35 to 45,000 rupees in pure profit. Scale it, and you have a full healthy snacks brand. Idea 2. Ginger powder. India produces more ginger than almost anywhere else on earth, but 80% of farmers sell it raw at throwaway mandi prices, simply because nobody taught them the next step. Dry that same ginger and grind it into powder, and suddenly Ayurvedic companies, spice brands, and immunity supplement makers want it, especially heading into winter. Wash it, peel it, slice it thin, dry it, grind it fine. That is the entire process. Setup cost is 10 to 12,000 rupees for a dryer and grinder. Buy ginger in bulk directly from farmers. Sell to Ayurvedic stores, spice wholesalers, and online health brands. 1 kilo costs 60 to 80 rupees to produce. It sells for 400 to 500. Sell just 40 kilos a month, and you are looking at 15 to 20,000 in net profit, with a real path to launching your own spice line. Idea 3. Wholesale watches. No manufacturing, no factory, just access to the right wholesale market, Delhi's Sadar Bazaar or a local wholesale hub in Mumbai, where good-looking watches sell for a fraction of retail. Photograph them well, build an Instagram page, post reels. Buyers increasingly prefer Instagram sellers over local shops because the variety and the trends move faster online. Starting stock costs 10 to 15,000 rupees. Build your Instagram page, a WhatsApp catalog, and a Meesho listing. Target local college students hunting for affordable, trendy pieces. Wholesale cost per watch is 150 to 200 rupees. Resell for 500 to 800. Sell 100 watches a month, and you are pocketing 30 to 40,000 rupees, with room to eventually build your own watch brand. Idea 4. House cleaning services. Apps like Urban Company are mostly locked into Tier 1 cities. That gap in Tier 2 and Tier 3 India is still wide open. And the real currency here is not convenience. It is trust. In smaller cities, people call someone they actually know, not a stranger from an app. Your move is simple. Advertise ahead of every function, party, and festival in your area, because that is exactly when cleaning demand spikes. You need 8 to 10,000 rupees to start, covering basic equipment and 1 or 2 helpers. Promote through local WhatsApp groups, society groups, and Facebook community pages. Offer your first 5 to 10 customers a discount to build trust fast. A deep cleaning job charges 800 to 1500 rupees, and 60 to 70% of that is pure profit after costs. land 30 to 40 bookings a month, and you are clearing 20 to 25,000 rupees, with a clear path to building your own team and covering the whole city. For businesses, beetroot chips to house cleaning, every single one shares the same DNA. Low investment, real demand, and a gap most people are simply not looking at. Now here is what usually happens. You save this video and tell yourself you will start tomorrow. Do not do that. Pick one of these for today. Just call around your own area and check the real cost of the raw material or setup. If this was useful, subscribe for more breakdowns like this and tell me in the comments which of these four would actually work best in your city.